Hello, and welcome back. I am Pam, and V is behind the camera.
Hello.
And we are in the Kindred kitchen today, and today we're going to be making one of our 7 salads of summer. So we hope you've been following the series along with us. Before we get going with all of the ingredients, make sure you go down below and subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up down there. It'll really help us out a lot. And now let's get into it. Okay, so we're making an Italian style-esque quinoa salad today. This is really quick, really easy, but you don't have to write anything down. We will put all of the ingredients down below here, so go check it out. First, let's get with the ingredients list here. I have some fresh basil, chopped basil, and you can pick this up in any grocery store now. They have the packs of it, and this is probably about a half a cup chopped up. We have some parsley that is chopped, and this is probably a full half a cup, maybe even 3/4 of a cup. We have a little bit of chopped oregano here. Again, you can find this in your grocery store. If we can find it in our grocery store, you can definitely find it in your grocery store. We have 2 celery spears chopped up nice and small. We have a half an onion small, chopped up small. And we probably have a couple of cups here of just chopped grape or cherry tomatoes, small tomatoes that are chopped up. And we have chopped cucumber, and this is all fresh. And we have about 2 cups, 2.5 cups of already cooked quinoa. This has been cooked and chilled, so it won't stick together. It's kind of like rice. When it cools down, it tends to separate better. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And we have a seasoned balsamic here. This is a cranberry pear balsamic, but you can get a lot of different. Whatever your taste is what you want to put in there. Blueberry balsamic is really good. I have some of that. But this is the cranberry pear balsamic. And that should give a nice flavor. So the first thing we're going to do is just add our ingredients into this big bowl here. I'm going to start out with all of the vegetables and herbs first. So there's the tomatoes and the cucumber. All right, V, I hope this bowl is big enough.
It's not, I can tell. I'll grab you a bigger one.
Here is the celery and the onion. We have so enjoyed making all these salads because, we always say, what we make is what we eat. So we'll be having this for lunch, and it has been so nice having salads for lunch. They're quick, they're easy, and
they're not your typical salads, they're kind of different. I feel that they're different.
And it's getting warm outside, so the salads just, it feels right about now. Okay, here's the parsley. I added the oregano. I'm going to add the basil here, and then I'm going to give this a quick stir and add my seasonings before I add in the quinoa, because I don't think I'm going to have enough space, so we'll see. I want to make sure all the vegetables and everything get mixed up. Okay, now I'm just going to start out with a couple of tablespoons of the seasoned balsamic. And a really good plain balsamic would be good in this too. And I'm going to stir this in as I go. And if I need more, I can always add more. It's a lot easier to add than it is to take away. My mom always used to say that,
Mm-hmm.
When you're cooking, it's easier to add than it is to...
They're already escaping.
Yep. Let me put these back. Put these guys back in. We can get the balsamic all over the vegetables.
It smells really good.
Yep, I can smell it too. I'm going to add about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to just add about half a teaspoon of pepper. Or not even that much. I'm going to only add a 1/4 teaspoon, I think. I think that's plenty for right now. I always figure people can salt on their plate. You know what I mean? Especially if you're having a gathering. People can salt. So many people now have salt restrictions, and people's tastes are different. So it's a lot easier for them to salt at the table. I know that's not the way you're supposed to do it. The chef wanted more salt. He would have added more salt.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now that these are mixed up, let me get that off. We're going to add in the quinoa. And see how it's coming apart because it's nice and cold? It's not sticking together like it does when it's warm. I might be able to fit it all in. I just might.
I guess because the quinoa is kind of like, doesn't take up much space.
It's filling in the gaps.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm going to add another tablespoon of the vinegar. Now that I've bulked up the salad some here. So that's 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I have made this salad many times. Back before, you know, the virus and all, when we were getting together with friends and stuff. This was a delicious salad that anybody can eat. You know, those that are gluten intolerant or wheat intolerant, they can eat the quinoa salad. It's lots of fresh veg. So I have found this, that picnics and potlucks and stuff, people generally like this salad.
And you can add more veggies to it, I guess, you know.
I know, yep. I personally, these aren't my favorites, but my husband loves radish. So he will chop up radish to add to something like that. I'm just not, I know, you know, no comments about radishes. I'm not a fan of radishes, but it's my husband's, so. Okay, I am just gonna put this on some spring mix. Actually, this looks like a lettuce spinach type of, I see some spinach in there and some romaine and different lettuces. Yeah. But you do not need that. This is 50-50 in and of itself. With all the cucumber and tomato and celery and onion and everything in here, it is 50-50. But I think it would look nice.
And it just adds a layer of crunch to it too.
On a bed of, whoops, it escaped E.
And there you go.
There you have it, a delicious summer salad, our Italian style quinoa salad, and we hope you enjoy it. Okay, now make sure you go down and like and share this video with somebody you know who would enjoy it. It is definitely a 50-50 whole food plant-based meal in and of itself. Great for picnics, great for barbecues, great this summer. Make sure you head over to kindredvegans.com, sign up for our newsletter, and we hope you are enjoying these 7 salads of summer. Bye now.
Bye.
V and I would like to thank you for joining us for this 7 Salads of Summer series. There, I got it. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. We enjoyed making the salads, we enjoyed eating the salads, and we hope you did too, and we hope that you have tried at least one of these salads. So make sure you go down below and subscribe to our channel, and then we want you to head over to kindredvegans.com, that's kindredvegans.com, and sign up for the newsletter, and you will get some wonderful recipes, and you'll stay in touch with us every month. So have a good summer, everyone. Bye now.